What's that book about? What's that book about? I'm worried about her. I'm worried about her. She knew a lot about food. She knew a lot about food. About 6 feet tall. About 6 feet tall. About 6 months ago. About 6 months ago. প্রায় 6 মাস আগে. Fry the potatoes for about 10 minutes. Fry the potatoes for about 10 minutes. He is about ready to leave. He is about ready to leave. How about you? How about you? It's about time. It's about time. He is about 40. He is about 40. He is about my age. He is about my age. How about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Please think about it. Please think about it. I'm crazy about football. I'm crazy about football. I'm serious about my job. I'm serious about my job. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the past. They have nothing to boast about. They have nothing to boast about. People always complain about fatigue. People always complain about fatigue. I want to feel about you. I want to feel about you. Don't joke about that. Don't joke about that. He knows a lot about math. He knows a lot about math. I laugh about this situation. I laugh about this situation. How about 12:45? How about 12:45? They are about to start. They are about to start. This is about me. This is about me. What about today's plan? What about today's plan? We are talking about there. We are talking about there. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.